So Douglas, what do you know about airsoft?
I know it's like a popular activity where like it's kind of just like Nerf. You just kind of shoot people.
So you don't think it hurts that bad?
I don't think so. I mean, it's just plastic, right?
All right, go ahead and press play.
All right.
Do you still think it's not painful?
That didn't look. That looked
All right,
bad.
time to shoot you. We're good.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yep.
Yeah, I know. Here, let me.
All right. So this is a bit of a strange video, but basically, I shot my friends with this, and I let them shoot me with it, and then I upgraded it, and that's basically everything. It now shoots 400 FPS, like a beast, and the hop up isn't even struggling. I could turn this up a ton, but now there really isn't much left to do. It's almost fully built. The only other thing I need is to clean it up a little bit and get a tracer unit, and then it's complete. But dang, isn't she lovely? Yeah. Time to finish putting her together. Alright, we're done. So the parts I'm using are a ProWin hop-up chamber and a Prometheus hop-up bucking. There it is. I already took out the old chamber, so now I just gotta install the bucking on the barrel and put the nub in as well. So this right here is the old bucking. We're gonna take that off. It's a super cheap stock bucking, no clue what it is, but this is the new one, the Prometheus. I've got links to both of these things, the hop-up chamber and the bucking, in the description. Alright, so that is the bucking, and that's the nub. To put the bucking on, you just take it, you find a little ridge, you can see right there, and you line it up with the ridge in the barrel. You can see on top right there, so boom, slides right on. Now, take your hop-up chamber, here it is. Now I've already installed the O-ring and everything on this, so what you have to do is take this out, this little pin right here. That lets the arm fall down. So this goes in the arm right there. This is flat hopped, so it's pretty easy to install. Boom. Now that that's in there, we simply take the pin, put it back in. This might take a little longer, but to get it. There we go. Pin is in there, and now we should be able, there we go. Easy to adjust. Now we just take this and put it in here. There we go. That was pretty easy. Now we take the other parts here. This is a little clip to make sure the wheel doesn't slide off. Goes right there. Boom. So we can still turn it, but it won't slide off straight that way. Pretty easy. Then we take this. This is to make sure that the barrel stays clamped down right here. So pop that on, and you're all good. Let's put it inside the rifle. Oh shoot. Wait a second. How? No, fuck. Ah. Damn it. No. Okay. Almost had another M249 video right there. Oh jeez, that was close. So it looks like the hop-up nub fell out of the chamber. So we're gonna open this up real quick. Now we take out the pin. I see. I did it backwards. So once you have the bucking installed, you're gonna want to put it inside here, like that. There we go. Boom. Then you're gonna want to take your nub, put it inside the little arm, and feed it inside here. Now, you're gonna want to keep it like that. You don't want, oh, okay, I got the, let the nub fall out. This is probably the hardest part of the whole process, is getting the nub to stay inside. Nope, wait. Okay. Now that you have the hole lined up, you put the pin in. There we go. Now it should, if you look, I can't get the right angle, but, oh shit, One more time. So, you have the bucking, and you see the little ridge there? You need to find the ridge on the barrel and slide it on with that. All the way on. Now that that's on, we have to put this like that. Oh, come on, what's not going? There we go. Okay, I think I've got it now. That took way too long. Oh, jeez. Nope. Yes, there we go. Okay, I think it's done. Jesus, okay. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. I need to grab a magazine. Besides that, it's already Okay. Okay, come on. Wow.
Fatality.
Way up. Okay. Alright, so all the replacement parts are in it. It's got a Prometheus purple hop-up bucking and a Pro-Win hop-up chamber. Oof. It's not great. Fully auto isn't great, but alright. I think that's all the gas left in my tank. Overall, performs extremely well. Super flat hop. I've got plenty more hop to go if I wanted to. Yeah, I'm only about a third of the way up on my hop up, and so I've got plenty more to go if I ever want to use a heavier BB. This thing is amazing, and it didn't even cost that much. Let me know if you want a full build video on this, because it can be had for around $350 if you find the right parts. I can make an entire build list, build guide, everything. So let me know if you want that. Besides that, I'll see you guys next time.